The restoration of a T600 is more than a project. It's a revival of one of the most revolutionary trucks in American trucking history. First introduced in 1985, the Kenworth T600 broke away from the boxy designs of its era with its radically aerodynamic sloped nose and fuel-efficient silhouette, earning it the nickname Anteater. A properly restored T600 not only pays tribute to its groundbreaking design but also breathes new life into a truck that redefined what long-haul efficiency could look like. At its heart, many restored T600s feature updated Cummins N14 or Caterpillar 3406E engine, delivering between 400 to 550 horsepower, depending on the configuration and upgrades. When rebuilt to modern performance standards, these engines offer strong torque, delivery upwards of 1,850 pounds-ft, surprisingly smooth power bands, especially when mated to a reconditioned 13-speed or 18-speed Eaton-Fuller transmission. Compared to the Kenworth W900, which exudes classic American styling with its long nose and high chrome content, the T600 stands out with its aerodynamic form and purpose-built efficiency. It was never designed to win beauty contests, but rather to save fuel, and it did. Reports from its initial launch showed up to 20% better fuel economy than the W900, a figure that made it a pioneer in the fuel transition of the late 20th century. While modern trucks like the T680 or Peterbilt 579 have taken aerodynamics to new levels, the T600 remains the spiritual forerunner of every sleek, wind-cutting rig on the road today. A well-restored T600 holds its own with a unique retro-futuristic appeal and offers owners the charm of older mechanical systems with the potential to retrofit with modern amenities like LED lighting, digital gauges, air-ride seats, and even integrated navigation. In terms of historical significance, the Kenworth T600 was a game-changer. It was the first Class 8 truck to focus aggressively on aerodynamics, marking a pivotal shift in how fleets thought about fuel costs and environmental impact. Its sloped hood, set-back front axle, and integrated fairings were unheard of at the time. This bold engineering approach set the stage for the evolution of the modern highway tractor. Today, a restoration done right can turn a dusty relic into a showstopper that honors this legacy, while becoming fully roadworthy for present-day use. With growing nostalgia for 1980s and 1990s rigs and the increasing popularity of custom truck builds, the T600 could play a key role in a cultural revival of classic trucking icons. Its potential future is not just as a collector's piece, but as a functioning, the symbol of the history of aerodynamic efficiency with the craftsmanship of today's restoration community. In essence, bringing a T600 back to life isn't just restoring a truck, it's rekindling a revolution